Standing position, feet together, stride, one leg, lunge, then half knee, then squat. Then sitting position, long sitting position, long sitting rest, then stride, then slide, then forward dog, then hook, tap, frog, and cross. Kneeling position, stride position, one leg position, half leg position, lying position, supine, prone, side position, then hook and tap, arm support position, back support position, front support position, and side support position. Four base position, bridge position, dog stand position, knock hands position, hip, waist, chest, shoulder, and neck. Arms position, arms forward, arms sideward, arms upward. Arms oblique position, arms forward downward, arms backwards downward, arms sideward downward, and arms upward sideward. T position, reverse T position.